In this video, I'm going to show you the best spy tools to use with YouTube ads affiliate marketing. Now, before we get into this video, I'd really appreciate it if you would hit the like button or even the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for doing that. So one of the biggest struggles when it comes to YouTube ads, if you're trying to do affiliate marketing, is coming up with video ad ideas, as well as figuring out which offers are working well on the network. And to do that, you really need to use some of these spy tools, because just watching ads on YouTube, you may occasionally run into an affiliate offer, but it's not going to be that common. So I'm going to show you my favorite spy tools to use with YouTube advertising. So let's get right into it. So the first spy tool I'm going to cover is Vidtao. So it's essentially a free tool, which is the best thing about it, right? Like if you're starting out and you want a completely free tool, Vidtao is great because it honestly is just completely free. So with Vidtao, it's pretty easy to search for ads. You would just enter in whatever keyword or title you're looking for in here. So if I want to look for Kevin David, I would put that in here. And then it pulls up all the ads, right? And you can filter by view count. You can filter by how many have viewed in the last 30 days. I find this to be really useful. I feel like a lot of the spy tools don't have this. So this is actually really, really cool. So one of the cool things about this tool is when you click on an ad, it kind of shows you how the views are distributed. So you can see this ad ran very aggressively from March till around July, and then it kind of petered off and they stopped running this ad. So this ad kind of stopped working. As you can see here, they have an estimated ad spend. However, this ad spend is completely inaccurate in my opinion, because in certain niches it might be accurate. However, I can tell you on the Amazon FBA niche, you're looking at this actually being probably 10-20 times higher, if not 40 times higher, right? In the Amazon niche, sometimes you'll have cost per views around 80 cents. So really, they probably spent over $10 million on this ad. But this is cool because no other platform has this. This gives you kind of an idea, and I love the fact that you can see exactly how the views crept up over time. So that's an incredibly powerful kind of system. And then obviously you get the video transcript, which is really cool as well. So these are some really cool features that Vidtao has, and it's a very powerful free tool. That's why I like it a lot. We can also search by top advertisers, so like some of the advertisers that are spending the most on YouTube, as well as top videos. And they also have a completely free Chrome extension that allows you to swipe ads. It's called SwipeTube. Essentially, when you do see an in-stream ad, you can go into SwipeTube and you can basically save that ad and swipe it to your swipe file.
To my online store.
So as you can see right here, right, this is a video ad that's showing up. It's an in-stream ad. So what you can do here is, if you have SwipeTube, you can click here, you can add this ad to your library, and it's gonna show up here. Now I think I'm logged into the wrong account here potentially. Yeah, but if I was logged into the right account, it would show up here. So that's another really cool feature. So guys, that's the first tool, Vidtao. Great tool to just see what ads are working on YouTube. And that's probably the first place I'd start if you're on a budget. Now let's talk about paid options. So one of my favorite paid options is Video Ad Vault. And Video Ad Vault is similar to Vidtao, but it is a little bit more powerful in the sense that when I search for an advertiser on here, I typically get a lot more ads. So Vidtao usually picks up the higher volume ads, while Video Ad Vault is really, really good at picking up even ads that have had like 30 views, right? So I find that to be really powerful. So for example, if we look up my name and my channel, so we'll put in Shasting. Actually, let's put in Linx Digital because usually we run ads through a different channel. And then let's compare it with this right here. So as you can see on here, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you had 9 ads show up. Okay, it's not bad. Over here, what you'll see is a lot more. Like literally you'll see every single ad that we have run, and you can see which ads failed pretty badly. You can see which ads have done better. You can see that certain ads obviously have taken off a bit more, right? So that's the pro of Video Ad Vault. It's generally a much more powerful tool to search with, especially for finding ads. And then not only can you search by title, description, or even channel name, you could go by domain and URL. So for example, if you have a certain website that you know an affiliate is running traffic to, you can put that URL in there. And that just makes things a lot easier in terms of finding ads. So there's just a lot more options in terms of the what you can do to find ads on Video Ad Vault. So for a paid option on YouTube, it's really good. So with Video Ad Vault, there is also an extension. So with TubeSift, there is also a bookmarking tool. And again, it's a really easy to use tool. All you do is you just click on this and it essentially is like a one-click install. So right over here, you can see that we have a bookmark tool. And what you can do here is you can look at your ad history of ads that you've actually watched recently. So you can bookmark them and kind of save them into here. So I would perhaps, let's say, course lunch masterclass.com, add in there, and it's bookmarked, right? So this is a really easy to use tool as well to find your older ads. So yeah, guys, that's Video Ad Vault. Now let's talk about another tool that I personally really like for affiliates. And this is meant for affiliates, which is why I really like it. And it's poweradsbuy.com. So as you log in here, right, basically you can pay to only use YouTube ads, or you can just have something where it goes across all platforms. Now, I would recommend if you're an affiliate to actually try and use their this tool for all platforms. That's where it really shines, because it becomes an all-in-one tool. Because essentially, as an affiliate, what you're often trying to do is find offers that are working on other platforms, bring them to YouTube, right? If it's already on YouTube, chances are the advertisers that are already spending that money on YouTube to promote that offer, they probably have it dialed in a lot more than you can dial in after the fact, right? So it's usually a good idea as an affiliate to actually look at what's working on other platforms and bring that to YouTube, obviously depending on if it's a good fit for YouTube and if you have the creative. So in terms of actually finding ads on here for the YouTube site, so as you can see, you can switch between platforms here, but on the YouTube site, it's actually quite robust, right? So you can search by domain, advertiser, keyword. So for example, if I wanted to do domain.com, let's try purple.com, which is the mattress company. Let's see what search results come up. And you can see that search results come up. I'm not the biggest fan of the UI. I think it's a little bit awkward. I think Video Ad Vault's UI and Vidtao's UI is way better, but this does pick up a lot of ads. I typically would say Power Ad Spy will pick up more ads than Vidtao, maybe a bit less than Video Ad Vault. However, as I mentioned, this tool is really amazing for basically the fact that you can spy on multiple platforms. So this becomes an all-in-one tool, and it's also in one price. I believe their pricing is actually pretty good. So if we look at the Power Ad Spy pricing, so if we look at their pricing on Power Ad Spy, you essentially will pay $149 a month for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And then if you want everything, it's $299. And obviously you can kind of choose here. They have a free version, so this is actually pretty cool. So they basically allow you to choose the platforms you want to kind of spy on. So their native is obviously a bit more expensive. And however, for spy tools, this is pretty standard. Again, as I said, the main thing is they do really good on the YouTube side. So actually you can get their native ads for $49 a month. So that's not even that bad. So yeah, essentially Power Ad Spy is a really great all-in-one tool for affiliates. Now, in terms of other spy tools as well, SimilarWeb is really good. So when you do find an offer that's getting a lot of traffic, so let's say you know that the final website that all the affiliates send their traffic to is a certain URL. You can throw it into similarweb.com and be able to see all the different referral sources and be able to find different affiliates through that. So if you just click, for example, on one of these URLs, you'll be able to see kind of the biggest referrals, right? So when you do find an offer that's converting, you can basically find other affiliates using this technique and kind of be able to figure out what their funnels are. So yeah, guys, SimilarWeb is also another great tool. So guys, those are kind of the 4 tools that I would recommend you look into. Vidtao is great to get started as a beginner because it's free. Video Ad Vault is really amazing if you're a YouTube ads agency or if you're really heavy in the YouTube space, as it allows you to find a lot of YouTube ads very fast. And then Power Ad Spy is a good overall tool for affiliates because it's just focused on multiple platforms. So it's not amazing at YouTube ads, but it does give you these other platforms as well. So you could even mix and match. So you could use Power Ad Spy for certain platforms and then use Video Ad Vault for others. So I will have links to these platforms below. There will be affiliate links And of course, you can just go and enter the URLs on your own if you want to go find the videos. Obviously, with Vidtao, there's not even an affiliate program. So I'm just basically giving you what I use on a day-to-day basis. And as you can see, I actually have accounts with all of these. So I'm paying member of these platforms. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to smash the like button or hit the subscribe button. And I do have more affiliate videos. So I do have a video on an affiliate ad breakdown I found on YouTube that's absolutely crushing it. So there will be a link in the card to go check that video out. Thanks for watching.